The 8 best foods for strong bones. Vitamin D and calcium rich foods can help maintain strong bones and may reduce your chance of developing osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, a condition that weakens and thins bones and makes them brittle and prone to breaking. It affects about 8 million American women. Since our bodies depend on nutrients like calcium and vitamin D to develop and maintain strong bones, what you consume is important for bone health. Your chance of having low bone mass is significantly increased if you don't consume enough of these bone building nutrients. If you are under 51 years old, the government recommends 1000 milligrams of calcium per day. If you are over 51, it's 1200 milligram. Additionally, all females between the ages of 13 and 70 ought to consume 600 milligrams of vitamin D daily. Sadly, a large majority of us do not consume enough calcium and vitamin D in our meals. The good news is that you can choose from a wide variety of delicious meals to keep your bones strong. Calcium and vitamin D are both naturally present in cheese. Finding one or several you like can be a fun experiment because there are so many different types to choose from. Yogurt is a great source of calcium at any time of day. Numerous other nutrients such as bone strengthening proteins and revitalizing B vitamins are also provided. Milk is not just for children to consume. People of all ages can easily strengthen their bones by drinking a glass of milk. To get 2 servings of nutrients that help strengthen bones, look for milk that has been vitamin D fortified. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are a few of the finest fish to eat for vitamin D. For a bone building super, serve baked salmon over sauteed greens. Along with vitamins like calcium and vitamin D, many types of orange juice also include potassium and folate that are helpful for body health. Other foods form of bone strengthening nutrients exist in addition to dairy products. Leafy greens are very healthy and rich in calcium. Some examples of these foods include kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard. A good source of vitamin D can be found in eggs. However, if you choose egg white omelets, you will not get benefit from it because vitamin D can only be found in egg yolks. A delicious way to consume eggs and veggies at the same time is through omelets. A portion of almond butter contains a lot of calcium. It has no cholesterol and is also rich in protein and health promoting monosaturated lipids. A portion of whole grain bread, a banana, or apple slices dipped in almond butter are all delicious options. Consult your healthcare practitioner if you are concerned that dietary changes alone might not be sufficient to maintain the strength of your bones. You can talk about ways to promote bone health and fend off osteoporosis together.